Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing something that puzzles and troubles a lot of people. We've got a shaky shower assembly, and how do you secure that thing? I'm going to show you. Let's get to it. So ideally what we want to do is pull this cover off and then poke a hole through the other side to find out exactly where the shower assembly is on that wall. But I've got this old school deal, and this is a rental property that I'm working in. I don't want to break the thing, so we're going to do it a little different. So we opened this up and then tapped on the wall, and then we marked it, and so we're gonna cut it open and see what we got. All right, so I did a backup measurement just to double check where my tap is. My tap was way off, like 2.5 feet. So what I did is measure from the corner over to where the shower assembly is in the bathroom, and then I came back to this wall and measured over. So it should give us a ballpark area. I'm right up here in this section here, and I've got this sweet ever-built access panel cover. It's like adjustable. It says you can cover a 10-inch to a 14-inch hole. So we're gonna cut a 10-inch by 10-inch hole here, because this is where my shower assembly should be. We'll secure it to the stud, and then we'll put that sweet adjustable access panel back in there. So right now I'm measuring my 10 by 10 hole. Okay, now you can either use an access panel. We got our mount right there, which is awesome. Or you can just plug this right back in your hole after securing it, and you can patch the hole. All right, so you can see what we have here. This should have been mounted, these mounting screws, they should have had a 2x4 and mounted when they were putting the tub in. So you can do it that way and then wire it in. But right here, my line, this is what's shaking. I got a little bit of play in there, making it loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these wedges, the 2x4 wedge, and I'm gonna stick it in here, in between the copper pipe and the fiberglass tub. And then we can throw another one in on this side as well. And that's gonna keep this super secure. So I take my universal cover plate access panel deal, and on the back of it, it's got this spring-loaded thing, makes it super easy. It says you can cut a 10 to 14-inch hole, and it's gonna cover everything. So I'm gonna put this barb on the far side. Good to go. So that's it. We rock this super secure now, and we're not having any problems with it shaking. Like I said, you could use a stud and use like a metal strap and tie it down if that works best for you. But mine was super easy and it took care of it. We also installed that sweet access panel. Now it is acceptable to put one in your house, but don't have them all over your house. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.